Hello everyone and a very warm welcome. In this tutorial, we will see how you can install the Muhimbi PDF editor from AppSource. So first and foremost, I am at the AppSource URL and let me type in Muhimbi PDF editor. So this will search for the editor and the first option that comes on your screen is the Muhimbi PDF editor. You need to click on Get It Now. This will prompt you for your username. So you need to put in your username out here. So let me just paste in the admin credentials for my tenant and I'll click on Sign In. As soon as I click on Sign In, it will prompt me for the top secret password. So let me authenticate to my M365 tenant and I'll click on Sign In. I'll go ahead and click on Yes. This should go ahead and give me confirmation details. So this will redirect me to the Muhimbi page and this should further redirect me and prompt me for the credentials again. So I need to pick an account. For this particular demo, I'm using an admin account. If you're using an user account, you might see a similar prompt, but the difference would be you cannot provide consent on behalf of the organization. I'm checking this box because I want to install it for all the users in my organization. I can click on Accept. This should further redirect me, and if the installation is successful, you will be greeted by the success page. So here, my friends, you have installed the Muhimbi PDF editor. Now it's time for us to check if the Muhimbi PDF editor actually got installed successfully. So firstly, let's check if the editor is available in my personal OneDrive. As you know, the editor for SharePoint is available even for your OneDrive and even for Teams. So the editor might take up to 24 to 48 hours to be available for all of the users, but you can expedite the process by following the instructions. So firstly, we need to go ahead and refresh the cache. To refresh the cache, you need to change the URL to _API version 2.0 drive apps force refresh. If you see, the cache has been refreshed and the Muhimbi PDF editor is actually available out here. So let me go back again to my OneDrive and just check if the editor is available so that I can edit my files. So I have uploaded the PDF file. Let me click on Open and let me click on Open in Editor. So perfect. You see, the editor has been installed and now you can open and edit the files. So this is good. This is very good. Now let's look at how does it behave in SharePoint. So let me again go to a SharePoint site and let me navigate to a document library. Perfect. So if I click on the three dots and the editor is not available, right? So what do I need to do to make the editor available? As I told you, it might take up to 24 hours or up to 48 hours for the editor to be available. But if you want to go ahead and expedite the process, as an admin, you can force the cache to be refreshed for the SharePoint site. So I'll click on this URL. If you see, the URL is admin force refresh. If you see, the editor is available here. Let me go back to the demo docs. Perfect. And now let me actually clear the cache. So the most important part here would be to clear the application cache. So I'll go into local storage and I'll clear the cache. I'll also clear the session cache. Then I'll try to refresh the browser and I'll also do a empty cache and hard refresh. Now that I have followed this process, hopefully the editor will be available. So the editor is available, but do I need to click? No. You can just click on the document and it should open the editor. So now that the file is open in the editor, let me add some annotations. Let's say that I want to add a box. Let me highlight some text. So I'll use the freeform highlighter. And I also want to edit some content, right? So let's say that I want to change the name of the person, Clavin. And here I will write Mr. Clavin. And let me add my last name as well. Perfect, right? So here I can save the changes and let me save the changes back to my SharePoint. If I close the document and if I reopen the document again, you should see the changes in front of you. I hope this installation tutorial was informative to you. Thank you for your time. Have a great day and bye-bye.